Alright guys, making up some Coax LMR 400, putting some connectors on it. Actually it's 150 feet of LMR. Yeah, 150 feet. So just put on some connectors. So I said I would do a video to show how they put on the connectors using a multimeter on the continuity setting. Make sure and check to see our continuity that you're soldering good. So checking the braid, the outer of the connector, which is connected to the braid of the LMR 400, which is 50 ohms coax. Going through the 150 feet roll there to the next end. I think I could hear the tone. Right, good continuity there. Also check from the braid out of the connector to the inside pin. I'll put it here so you can see. Right, no tone, so no short circuit. Right, so I'll put in checking from one pin again through the whole 150 feet to the next pin. Right, tone, continuity. Right, just to double check on this side that you have no continuity. Right, so everything good. Again, braid to braid, outer connector, continuity. Pin to outer, nothing. Pin to pin. Yeah, right. I ain't pressing hard enough. Alright. This one is a used connector. Just have to take a file and just clean it a little bit and that is it. Right. So 150 feet of LMR 400 made up there. This is going to connect up more 160 meter inverted V. Which is at the top of the tower. Up at 85 feet, come way down and have a way to go. If you have excess coax, probably about 130 feet should make it, but always better to have a little more than a little less. And at 160 meters, they don't really have much losses as the higher frequency, higher bands.